Hello everyone, welcome to week 3. This is Dr. Anita Wellman. In week 3, the agenda shows here what are the main things that we're going to cover. And now we've finished the first 2 weeks, so we're 50% of the way through the course. And this week we get to go into some more really fun topics. One is the Big Five, your personality. So the Big Five is one of the personality assessments. And then we're going to talk about sleep. Now, this is the week where you're going to cover chapters 9 through 12. Let's see if I can get this to move. There we go. And it's going to be, so what I did here was I posted the link to the Big Five and some of the criticisms of the Big Five. Now, you don't have to know the criticisms. I just thought you'd find it kind of interesting because a big issue is the stability of the results. The implications of a sleep-deprived society really demand a lot of our attention, and I hope that you will optionally explore not only the materials on sleep deprivation, but I'd really like you to watch a few minutes of Why Sleep Matters, which is presented by Harvard. And also, I really recommend the Master Your Sleep and Be More Alert When Awake, because you may want the information on how to protect your sleep and how it works. A brief YouTube video is How to Improve Your Sleep by Matthew Walker, who has been published by Penguin Books. These are the references. If you do wish to use any of these for your assignment, you may. And this would be how you would cite them in APA format. Okay, we're going to have Kaiser Live on Wednesday night at 9 p.m. And so, yeah, that's about it. Now, I'd really recommend that you have your PowerPoint materials all together by now, and then work on tidying up your PowerPoint, because it will be due on Wednesday of week 4. So that's 10 days from now. It's really good to get as much of that done ahead of time as possible. And I will explain more on how to do that properly during the week 3 Kaiser Live. All right, I'll see you in the classroom.